Nongeye guhabwa ikaze nshuti bavandimwe mukunda kureba amashusho aca ku mbuga nkoranyambaga arizo YouTube channel. Amazina yanjye nitwa Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu. Welcome dear viewers of YouTube channel. Today I am here to teach you languages. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye. Uyu munsi nje kubigisha indimi. Amazina yanjye nayo ngayo. Today I'm here to teach you languages. Kinyarwanda lesson. Welcome to a new lesson in Kinyarwanda. Muhawe ikaze mu isomo rishya ry'Ikinyarwanda entitled Greetings. Rifite umutwe uvuga ngo indamukanyo. Indamukanyo. Can you repeat? Indamukanyo. In Kinyarwanda, when you meet someone, you can greet in different ways depending on the time, the period. For example, in the morning you can say mwaramutse. That means did you wake up, or good morning in other words. That's in the morning. From 12 you can say mwiriwe. Mwiriwe, which means did you spend the day, or in other words it means good afternoon. And in the evening you say mwiriwe. It doesn't change, but some people add mwiriwe, then mwiriwe ho. Mwiriwe ho, which means did you spend the day. So there's no difference. And when you meet people, or when you visit people who don't know you, when you are estranged somewhere, you can greet them by saying muraho. Muraho means are you there? But in other words, it's like saying how are you, or are you fine? Muraho is a greeting that is used to new people, or when you are estranged to other people. But the same answer is replied. Muraho, muraho. Mwaramutse, mwaramutse. Mwiriwe, mwiriwe. Mwiriweho, mwiriweho. Remember that good night in Kinyarwanda is muramuke. Next time, I will teach you how to say goodbye in different ways. But here in Rwanda, old people will greet young people. They usually greet young people by saying amasho. They hug young people and say amasho. That means I wish you to have a big cattle. Amasho. Because in Rwandan culture, people can have cows, a lot of cows. That's why you say amasho. And the young people reply amasho ngore, which means they need female to produce. So now if you are an old person, please answer me amasho. Amasho. Then I will reply amashongore. In today's lesson, we are going to have a conversation with a foreigner. Welcome to the practice. This time I will be asking some questions about daily life. Let's get started. Question number 1. Witwande.
Nitwa Marai.
What's your name? Uturutse he.
Mubu Hollande.
Where are you from? I am from Netherlands. Utuye he.
Nuye Nyamirambo.
Where do you live? I live at Nyamirambo. Urubatse. Are you married?
Yego, mfite umugore.
Oh. Yitwande. What's her name?
Yitwa Nastasha.
Mufite abana. Do you have any children?
Simfite abana.
Ukora iki. What do you do?
Enkora muri INGO.
Nitwa Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu, nishimiye kukubona. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabire. Nice to meet you.
Nitwa Marain Sebastian. Nishimiye kukubona.
Now, if you have any questions, feel free and ask me.
Gukora iki?
What do you do? Ndi umwarimu nigisha abantu indimi. I am a teacher. I teach people languages.
Ni byiza cyane.
Murakoze.
Ukora hehe?
Nkorera mu Rwanda hose ariko cyane cyane i Kigali. I work from everywhere in Rwanda but basically in Kigali.
Ni byiza cyane.
Murakoze.
Nawe murakoze.
Ukunda iki? What do you like?
Kunda mupira na muziki, film, ndetse nuhorana na urubyiruko.
N'urubyiruko. Ibiryo ukunda ni ibihe? What kind of food do you like? Ibiryo ukunda mu Rwanda ni ibihe?
Nkunda chapati, ibishimbo, bugali, inhogo cyane, ibiryo byose na kibazo.
Murakoze cyane. This is the end of our lesson. Thanks, dear viewers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in our lessons, please don't forget to click like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
Turi kumwe
Mwakoze cyane.
twese.